Welcome to Study Loop.
30.46. So we have some cesium-124, which has a half-life of 30.8 seconds. So to begin with, if we have 8.7 micrograms of it, we want to know how many cesium nuclei are present. Then we want to know how many there are after 2.6 minutes, and then what the activity is at that time. And we want to see how long it takes for the decay rate or the activity rather, to drop to less than 1 per second. So the first thing is we're going to use it's going to be more convenient rather to use the decay constant. So let's just go ahead and calculate that. Of course, that's the natural log of 2 divided by the half-life. So this is 0.0222505 per second. So now our initial number of cesium nuclei is, we're just going to take the amount of mass we have, so 8.7 times 10 to the negative 6th grams. We're going to divide that by the atomic weight, so 124 grams per mole, and this would give us the number in moles. And then we multiply by Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms per mole. And so we find that we have 4.2 times 10 to the 16th nuclei. So now, if we want to evaluate this at t equals 2.6 minutes, we know n equals n naught, which is what we just found, times e to the negative lambda t. We found lambda, we know t is 2.6 minutes. And so we're going to have 1.3 times 10 to the 15th nuclei left after 2.6 minutes. So now the activity is the decay constant times the number of atoms or nuclei, whatever we have. Obviously each atom has one nucleus, so it's sort of equivalent. And we know both of these now for 2.6 minutes. And this will be 2.8 times 10 to the 13th decays per second. So now to find the time it takes for the activity to drop to less than 1 per second, our activity is lambda n. And so it's going to be lambda n naught e to the negative lambda t. So now the time is going to be negative 1 over the decay constant times the logarithm of our desired activity divided by the activity to begin with. And so we know that we want this to be 1 per second, and then we know lambda, and we know what m naught is, so we can multiply those together. And so we come up with 26 minutes. I mean, this is going to give you a number in seconds, and you just divide by 60 to get the number of minutes. And so it's 26 minutes. And there we go.